So ngayon gagawa na naman tayo ng banana bread, no? So ito yung mga ingredients natin. Ito yung fresh milk, baking soda, brown sugar, overripe banana, mashed banana, okay? Cooking oil, cinnamon powder, whole egg, all-purpose flour. So napakadali na itong gawin, no? Pagsamasamahin na natin yung brown sugar, whole egg, cooking oil. Mix lang natin yan hanggang malusaw yung sugar.
Basically ka, walang